Yep, on the trail of something. I'm gonna say it's coyotes. And the coyotes cross into this woods here. Yep. Nasty day out here, hey, Cricket? Yep. The old rail trail. Yeah, the railroad line used to come through here. That's where they made a lot of these bike paths. A lot of these bike paths were built right over the old railroad line. Yep, and you can, coming up ahead here, you can see where they're started working on them. They got some hazardous areas where you had some cracking and stuff. Somebody on a bicycle could go down, right, Cricket? What's that? Yeah, it is windy. Windy and rain here on the Cape. Parts of Massachusetts have snow, sleet, high winds. Yeah, Cricket just wanted to show you where they've been working out here. But yeah, a beautiful day for a walk, right, Cricket? Yeah, out here on the bike path.